Okay, uh, welcome to the next session. In the last session, we learned how to draw this object. Now, in this lecture, we are going to learn something new, which is this ice tray. In the last lecture, we have learned a few commands such as line, fillet, trim, extrude, and etc. In this lecture, we are going to learn to how to draw this ice cube. Now, in order to draw this ice cube at first, in the last lecture, we did everything with as units. Now in this lecture we will try to use, let's say, inches. Okay. Now at the very beginning you need to save every file. Since I don't need this file, so I am not saving it. Let's start by drawing a rectangle. When you select a rectangle, it asks you to select a plane. We'll select XY as our plane and make a rectangle, center rectangle. Select the point, drag it outwards. Now let's say we need a rectangle of 5 inches by 12 inches. So we have our dimensions, we put enter, and there it is, our rectangle. Now the second step, we need to extrude this rectangle in order to make the body of this ice tray. Now let's extrude. The command is E for the extrude. Drag this up and put extrude value as, let's say, 2 inches. Now we have this basic body of our ice tray. Now what we need to do is make a space for the ice cubes. In order to make the ice cubes, we need to draw some rectangles, right? In which the ice can fit. We select this plane to make our rectangles. Now again, we select rectangle, center rectangle. From here, let's draw the size of the rectangle would be 1.65 into 1.2 inches. 1.65 inches into 1.2 inches. Now, since it is not symmetric from both the ends, now we need to fix the dimensions as well. To fix the dimensions, what we do, you press enter and then D. Then click on these two lines. After pressing D, you will get this dimension. Set this dimension as 0.2. Hit enter. Then by right clicking, select the repeat sketch this, and this dimension between these two lines has to be 0.2. By doing this, we made sure that it is in the right orientation from both the edges. Now what we need to do, we need to extrude this part so that our eyes can fit in. Let's do this. Press enter to extrude this part. Click this part, hit it inside. By dragging it inside, what we do, we give it a negative cut. Now the value of cut is here. Let's say we want a extrude of minus 1.3 plus minus 1.3 inches. And we need to give a minus 10 degrees of taper to give a certain shape to it so that the ice can pop out of it. And it should be set on cut only. Then press OK. Now we have our ice cube place, but we don't want such sharp edges. We want smooth edges so that we can wash it out or the ice can get out very easily. So we will provide fillet into it. Now to provide fillet, go to modify, press fillet, select the edges you want to put your fillet in. Like I'm selecting these faces. Select all the edges in which you want to give fillet to. I want this edge and this edge as well. Now the value of fillet, let's say we give a value of fillet to be 0.17 and press OK. Now these values doesn't look correct. This is, well, we can change it anytime later on. Let's go on with making an array, a rectangular array for this so that we can place our eyes throughout this body. What we can do is we can go to patterns, the rectangular pattern, Then select select features. Features what? We can select extrude from here and the fillet as well. Now select direction. We need this we need the eyes to go in this direction, not in that, in this direction. The value should be entered here, like how much at what distance this value should be. Let's say minus 10.4. We give value in this direction as minus 10.4, and the quantity should be, I'll give 8. And when it comes to this direction, I want a negative value of 1.95, and I want number of sets to be 2. Then I'll just press enter. So here are my ice cubes. Now I want this outer body to be hollow. In order to do that, we'll go to this modify, then I'll shell it out. This part, select all the sides that you want to shell. This part and the bottom part. Now since we have selected all the faces, now it's asking for what? It's asking for the inside thickness that we want to give in order to shell. Now the shelling, uh, this could be 0.07. 0.07. Now this should go inside, right? Okay, everything is correct. Press OK. Now we have our basic body for everything. What we can do now is, now again we need to fillet all these parts. Press fillet to, in order to smooth these sides, we'll put fillet. Press fillet. I want to fillet which sides? I want to fillet this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. The value of the fillet that I would give is 0.4. Now this body is filleted. It looks, now you can do a lot of things after this, like making fillet here, making the boundaries for this, changing the shape of this. But one thing that will make it look more attractive, that would be adding appearance in it. Let's say we want to make a plastic appearance for this. Press enter. Now we have different types of plastics. Let's say we want to make it red. Select the red and place it here, and we can change the tint of it's also can change the color for this. Let's say we make it like this, change the color. So this is about it. You can change a lot of things like this, like it's how does it look and how does it shine and all. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.